might be the most delicious thing you'll make all fall. Silky pumpkin soup that feels like a warm hug. And the secret? It all comes down to fresh ingredients and a few simple steps done right. Pumpkin season is always something to look forward for my family, because it means a fresh soup that tastes like a cozy fall evenings and comfort. You can find pumpkins everywhere this time of year, from the market to the grocery store, even in your garden, maybe. They're just so delicious and it's perfect for soup. Here's what you'll need is 1 medium pumpkin, some olive oil, 1 large onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 4 cups or 2 cups of vegetable stock, and a cup of coconut milk or cream. Season it with the cinnamon, nutmeg, salt, and pepper. And for that classic fall aroma, we're also going to add a handful of pumpkin seeds at the end. First, we're gonna slice pumpkin. Make sure to use a clean antibacterial cutting surface like the Taima Titanium cutting board, so you can prep with confidence knowing your board won't trap any germs of microplastics. Okay, next, we're going to drizzle with olive oil, season with a little kosher salt, and roast at around 200 Celsius degrees for 40 minutes until we get that perfect caramelized color. Before we start cooking, don't forget to warm up the Taima Nutri Pot Pro over medium-low heat, and then spread a teaspoon of high smoke oil evenly across the surface for like 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's ready, saute the onions until golden, and then add garlic, cinnamon, and nutmeg. The titanium base locks in nutrients and builds the perfect fond, setting up all the flavor for the pumpkin soup. Then we're going to scoop out the roasted pumpkin, blend it until silky smooth, and let it gently simmer. And once those flavors are incorporated, stir in some cream for richness, season to taste it with salt and pepper, and let it warm through without boiling. The even heat of the titanium surface will keep the texture velvety without scorching the broth. And finally, ladle into bowls, swirl with cream, and garnish with pumpkin seeds and fresh thyme. Guys, thanks for watching. And make sure to bring a little warmth to your fall cooking with premium, pure titanium kitchenware at great prices at taimatitanium.com. Bye!
Enjoy a turkey for the holidays. You don't have to roast a whole bird. Turkey steaks are quicker, easier, and just as flavorful. They're perfect for when you want that festive taste without an all-day commitment. And today we're going to be making them in the Taima Titanium Nutri Pot Pro for juicy, golden results every time. Turkey might be the star of the holiday table, but it's also one of the trickiest dishes to master. It can dry out, cook unevenly, and even leave confident cooks frustrated. This recipe turns turkey into an easy dinner win. Quick seared steaks, seared to perfection, and finished in the Taima Titanium Nutri Pot Pro, so they stay juicy, tender, and packed full of flavor. Start by patting your turkey steaks completely dry with paper towels. Moisture is the enemy of an even sear. Once dry, season both sides with salt, black pepper, Cajun seasoning, and Italian seasoning. Rubbing the spices in evenly will give you that bold flavor that you want. Warm your Taima Titanium Nutri Pot Pro over medium-high heat. Brush in about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Thanks to SlipScale technology, you'll get an even non-stick surface that keeps lean turkey steaks from sticking. Next, you're going to lay the turkey steaks into the pan away from you. Safety first. Let them cook for about 2 minutes so they can form that golden crust you want. Then we're going to flip them over, cook for another 30 seconds, then add just a dollop of unsalted butter and 2 smashed garlic cloves. Now we're going to up the flavor by tilting the pan slightly, spooning up that melted garlic butter, and basting it over our steaks for about 1 more minute. The even heat of our titanium pan will keep the butter from scorching, and the non-reactive surface makes sure that all you're tasting is pure, clean flavor. Finally, transfer your steaks onto a plate, let them rest a bit, and then garnish with chopped fresh parsley for some freshness. And there you have it, turkey steaks that are golden, juicy, and cooked with zero stress. With even heat, SlipScale cooking, and a pan that's light enough for everyday use, the Taima Titanium Nutri Pot Pro makes meals that usually feel tricky surprisingly easy. Discover yours now at taimatitanium.com.